Ever feel guilty for needing a break when there's so much work to do? As if you're not dedicated enough to public health already? Well, Impact Shapers, guess what? Today, we are busting that myth wide open. We're gonna talk about how soul care is not only a nice to have, but it is absolutely necessary for sustained impact. Let me take you back to March 2020. Picture this. I just got a new job. I'm super excited to get started on Monday. Make my mark, try something new. Then I get this call and it's like, hey, slight change of plans. You're actually gonna work from home tomorrow. Is that okay? Little did I know that tomorrow would turn into months and I would become the guinea pig for virtual onboarding. But here's where it gets interesting. I'm starting to find my footing, running the program, and working with my staff that I've never met in person. Suddenly, my entire team gets pulled into COVID response. We start creating a contact tracer training program for the entire city. We're doing evenings and weekends and long hours, and woo, did it get a bit much there. You know that feeling, right? When you're so passionate about the community and you keep pushing forward, you're running on adrenaline for the crisis response, and you're not taking a moment to pause and take care of yourself. And it's so hard to just step back. Then came my wake-up call. I tried all the typical self-care. Yoga, meditation, bubble baths, but guess what? When you're burnt out, downward dog just doesn't do it. I needed something deeper, something that would address not just my pure exhaustion, but also help me reconnect with my purpose. Let's talk about what makes soul care different from self-care. Soul care is not just relaxation, it's reconnection. Reconnection with your why, your community, and your vision for change. Here's what I call the soul care framework for impact shapers. First, purpose connection. This isn't just about remembering why you started. It's about actively reconnecting with that spark every single day. Take my program management example. When my team got together, we started each meeting by sharing wins our students were having in their communities. Even on the hardest days, hearing our CHW's wins helped us reconnect with our why. It completely shifted our energy. Second, energy protection. Think of your energy like a renewable resource. Yes, it can replenish, but only if you give it the right conditions. This means learning to recognize your early warning signs of depletion. I start losing my humor in meetings, and that's how you know it's serious. Third, and this is crucial, boundary setting. Now I know what you're thinking, but Veronica, there's a pandemic. What do we do? Yes, that's exactly why boundaries matter even more. Remember, you can't fight a pandemic or any public health crisis when your well-being is depleted. We're in this for the long haul. We have a ways to go. Taking care of yourself is not just about you. It's about sustaining your ability to serve. Finally, community support. Because here's the truth. Individual self-care can only take you so far. You know what made one of the biggest differences during one of my toughest moments? It was my team creating space for us just to be human. No agenda items, no program updates, just us checking in on each other. Sometimes we would just spend 10 minutes sharing recipes or crying about how our pandemic plants were just not thriving. And honestly, that genuine connection was exactly what we needed. Just that opportunity to be human, take our guards down. It really was the medicine that we had no clue we needed. Now, let's make this real. Go grab something to write with. Yes, right now. I'll wait. I'll pause. And let's do a quick energy audit. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate your energy in 3 areas. Physical energy, are you sleeping, eating, moving? Emotional energy, how's your heart doing today? And purpose energy, are you connected to your why? Look at those numbers. They're not just data points, they are your sustainability indicators. Any number that is below a 6 needs your attention right now. Now here's your soul care emergency kit. For low physical energy, the 3-3-3 rule. 3 breaths, 3 stretches, and 3 sips of water. Repeat every 3 hours. For low emotional energy, the connection call. Reach out to one person who just gets it. No problem solving, just presence. For low purpose energy, the impact journal. Each day, writing down one way, no matter how small, that you made a difference. Impact Shapers, here is the beautiful truth. When you nurture your soul, you multiply your impact. It's not selfish, it's strategic. Your well-being isn't a luxury item, it's an impact multiplier. This week, I challenge you. Choose one soul care practice and make it a non-negotiable. Share it in the comments using Soul Care Impact. Let's normalize taking care of ourselves while we take care of our communities. Until next time, remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, and public health needs your cup full. Keep shaping impact, and don't forget to tend to your beautiful soul along the way.